today we are going to do lava land science experiment. What you'll need is some food coloring. You can use any food coloring you like. Oops, the cap's full. Actually, I made it loose. I'll put them aside for now. And vegetable oil, and you can use any oil you like. You can use any oil, but here I'm going to use vegetable oil. I got it from the store. And baking soda. If I forgot to put this aside. And baking soda. And this is the big bottle of vinegar. Just like in the slime as well, with a big jar of starch. Now, and you also need a jar. You need a help from a grown-up, for sure. So, first, I'm gonna put my baking soda. And only 1 spoon. 1 big spoon. If you think you need to put 1 more, you can put. I think I should put just 1 more little bit. Yeah, this much is enough. Take some tissue papers to wipe the vinegar, baking soda, food coloring, and the oil. Okay, and then I'm going to put my vegetable oil in. Oh, it's tight. Good thing I opened it. And now I'm going to pour it in. I only got a little bit of vegetable oil in there. Oh, I like that bubbles. But now, I'm gonna put this aside. Actually, I'm gonna put it here. So I'm gonna take my vinegar bowl and put my food coloring. You can use any food coloring. You can also put 2, 4, any drop, but only 3 drops. 1, 2, and 3. Let's stir it up because it's. And now, watch what will happen. I'm going to pour it in. See? The bubbles are reacting. Wow. That's cool. And it's also turning green. Wow. And you know why did this happen? Because baking soda and vinegar react together. That makes the bubbles come. I love watching it. These bubbles are going down. And some of the bubbles which are from the green part down are going up. Oh, I just love this. Don't you guys love our science experiment? If you like it, write it in the comments. And subscribe to my channel. Give a like. And if you don't like it, it's okay. You can give a dislike. Thanks for watching my video. Bye!